How to use ChatGPT for UPSC preparation. Using ChatGPT for UPSC preparation can boost efficiency by simplifying complex concepts, generating structured answer frameworks for mains, and creating customized study plans. Well, you can use ChatGPT in various ways, such as conceptual clarity and simplification. You can ask for analogies to understand tough concepts, such as explain the difference between monetary policy, right, and fiscal policy, like I'm 12 or 10 years old, right? You can input a question and ask for an outline, that is pros or cons or multidimensional angles, that is social, political, economical, ethical, to structure answers. You can use it for ACA and ethics case studies, revision notes and summaries, current affairs integration as well. Ask for a summary of a major news topic and how it relates to GS papers. However, make sure to verify facts and ask AI to focus on structure and refine your questions to get better, more detailed answers.